Yes, so now we can discuss about Web3 courses for beginners. Nowadays, so many Web3 courses has come for beginners. Not web, so many Web3 courses, not so many training centers are there to give Web3 courses information. So now we can discuss about all those. Internet's third generation combines the best of both worlds, including blockchain, NFTs, digital avatars, and more. While Web3 is gaining popularity among technical enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, governments, and large technical companies, it is not an easy concept to grasp. Nonetheless, Web3 has quickly become one of the most important skills to master. Despite its complexity, here are some excellent resources for learning Web3 right now. So, what are those? We can discuss about 5 points, that is Web3 University. Web3 University is an educational platform for blockchain development that connects students to the best Web3 materials and tutorials. It is built as a one-stop shop for developers looking to learn how to write smart contracts, mint NFTs, and build fully functional end-to-end D apps. The platform has partnered with major crypto and blockchain platforms to ensure industry learning. Blockchain, NFT, blockchain, NFT, alchemy, D apps, flow, solidity, and other topics are covered on the platform. Then the second topic is in Web3 courses. Get started building Web3 apps on Cloudflare. Cloudflare. Cloudflare is the best known as a web infrastructure and website security company. Still, the company has dipped its toes into the Web3 world with the announcement of Cloudflare's Ethereum gateway, which will assist developers in the building scalable Web3 applications on their network. You can also observe Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, Ethereum is also there. Ethereum coins also is coming. You can observe those things. Then Questbook. What better way to learn Web3 than from the source code of a decentralized web interface? Questbook is a learning app that has over 15,000 users who are learning, developing, coding, blockchain, and Web3 concepts on the portal. The app, which is available on mobile and laptop, covers key Web3 concepts such as blockchain, Ethereum, Foundation, Solidity, Solana, Near, Polygon, and others. The app also helps with projects based on the lessons learned. And fourth topic is in Web3 courses, Web3 tutorial playlist by Eat the Blocks on YouTube. Julian's channel focuses primarily on Web3 and blockchain development with several playlists and tutorials covering these topics in depth. Solidity, Flash Loan, blockchain, UIEX for decentralized networks. UIEX means user interface and user extended. So deploying smart contracts, installing Web3 and other concepts are covered in addition to news and practical examples. Then fifth on Web3 courses, fifth topic is Introduction to Web 3.0 on Adams Academy. The program consists of 30-minute video explainers for Web3 and related topics such as the transition from Web 2 to Web 3, Web 3 determinants, Web 3 mechanics, and semantics, and the future. The lectures are followed by mock tests to test the students' knowledge and a final certification test. This is the information regarding Web3 courses for beginners. It will be highly useful. Nowadays, cloud computing, OneDrive system, and 5G is also coming in internet. So all these will give a very good chance and a very good future to the future generations. But we should utilize it in positively and utilize it for the establishment of humanity and comfort of all people. Then only it will be flourished well, and we will also be flourished in the same way. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.